So what are your thoughts on especially ECDSA as we're using it right now?
Well, it's probably a good signature scheme, and that is probably secure because we have recently we had a $1 trillion market cap, and so it means there's maybe not quite $1 trillion worth of Bitcoin there, but like there's something close to that could be extracted from if you could forge ECDSA signatures, but you can't. So it's at least a secure signature scheme, and we have some theoretical reasons to think it is secure as well, other than just people not being able to break it. The unfortunate thing about it is it was kind of made up in a way that it doesn't reflect some deeper structure, cryptographic structure that comes up in other places. It's just sort of was made up by Tahir El-Gamal as something that kind of just worked, right? It's just like, I put this thing here, multiply by this, invert this thing, multiply by everything, and and you can't forge this thing. Then the other thing, the signature scheme that is much more elegant, although at the time maybe just looked also like randomly multiplying things, was the Schnorr signature scheme. It turns out that the El-Gamal signature scheme, which became ECDSA, it ended up being random nonsense. But the Schnorr signature scheme ended up reflecting this more abstract sort of law of the cryptographic universe kind of fundamental protocol. It ended up, Schnorr signature scheme is the simplest instance of a more fundamental kind of protocol called the Sigma protocol. Sigma protocols are used all over the place in cryptography, and Schnorr is just the simplest instance of that.